Hey guys, what's up? This is Double X Gaming, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to craft stuff, some stuff if you don't know how to play Minecraft. So this is technically like a guide. Okay, wait. Okay, so now I'm moving. Let me grab myself a solution potion. Okay, and let's get started. So, the main thing, this is how you make a crafting table. Okay, so you're gonna need one oak plank, and then this turns into oak wood, and then you can make that. That's how you make a crafting table. And then you put down the crafting table, and this is how you make a furnace. You go like this. That's how you make a furnace. And then a chest. Okay, and then we have a chest. Okay, so that's how you make that. And then now I'm gonna teach you how to dye leather armor. So you can pick whatever color you want. You put the dye right there, and then you put it in the corner of it, and then you're gonna dye all the armor. And then once you're done dyeing all of it, and you have to make sure you put it in the corner, because if you put it right, well, you can put it right there and it'll work, but if you put it right there, right there, right there, right there, or right there, well, that works. So if you put it right here, right here, right here, right here, if you put it on any of those, it won't work. So then I'm going to take the dye out, and that's how you dye leather armor. And then I'm going to teach you guys. This is gonna be very simple. I'm just gonna show you. If you have Xbox Live, this is a snow golem. That's how you make a snow golem. You put two blocks of snow and then a pumpkin on top, and that's how you make a snow golem. And then this is how you make an iron golem. Blocks of iron and a pumpkin. Hello. And you can tame it with roses. So yeah. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked the guide, and I will see you guys later. Bye!